Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Potrait open on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And after this, you can click on the video effect. And at the menu, you can click on basic. And then swipe down until you can see a Potrait open. This is the Potrait open effect, so you just click on it, and after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that how to add Potrait open on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.